In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice type in Google Docs. If you want to turn your speech into text without typing everything by hand, Google Docs has a built-in voice typing feature that makes the process simple and convenient. This is especially helpful if you want to take notes quickly, draft ideas faster, or reduce the amount of time you spend at the keyboard. I'll walk you through exactly how to turn it on and get started. First, open your Google Docs document. You can use an existing document if you already have one ready, or simply open a blank document if you want to test the feature. Make sure the document is fully loaded and ready for editing before moving on. Since voice typing places your spoken words directly into the document, it helps to click into the area where you want your text to appear. Once your document is open, go to the top menu and click Tools, then select Voice Typing. This is where Google Docs gives you access to its speech-to-text feature. As soon as you click it, the voice typing tool will be enabled for that document. You'll then see a microphone icon appear on the left side of the document. This floating microphone is the main control for voice typing. Its appearance lets you know that the feature is available and ready to use. If you don't see it right away, give it a second and make sure you selected voice typing from the tools menu correctly. Next, click the microphone icon. This tells Google Docs that you're ready to begin speaking. Before you start dictating, it's a good idea to speak clearly and at a steady pace so the tool can capture your words more accurately. A quiet environment can also help improve results. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone, allow access. This step is necessary because Google Docs needs to hear your voice in order to convert it into text. If you accidentally block access, the feature won't work until microphone permissions are enabled. So if nothing happens after clicking the microphone, checking your browser permissions is a smart place to start. Once access is allowed, you're ready to begin voice typing in your document. Just speak and your words should appear on the page as text. And that's how you do it. As a final tip, if you plan to use this feature often, make sure your microphone is working properly and positioned clearly near your voice for the best possible accuracy.